Alright, y'all know I couldn't go nowhere without watching this Black Lightning trailer. Hopefully it's good. Let's find out. Will this be the next thing I'm watching on CW? Oh, wait. Maybe I could drop Arrow and actually watch this. We'll see. I'll be turning it up to HD because I need to be able to see it.
Black Lightning was the savior who kept our streets and our schools safe. He was hope personified. But he was also Jefferson Pierce, my father.
Take me to the edge of what can break me.
You've been on the streets fighting the 100 for years. Let someone else do it. Girls need a father.
Baby, I promise. No more.
Girl, if you don't take that wig off, that shit is through.
You two are all me and your mother have. I love you both.
He tried to keep his promise to my mother. Said that he saved more lives as the principal of Garfield High than he ever did as Black Lightning. But without Black Lightning, violence in the streets by the 100 gang multiplied.
Our children are dying in these streets and no one cares.
The anger was just under the surface for all of us. The whole city was ready to explode. He could only bury who he really was for so long.
The city is getting more and more dangerous every moment. I'm just trying to keep you safe.
Excuse me? I'm not afraid of the 100.
Yes, you should be.
Now you just piss me off.
If you mess with me, my sister, my mother, or the innocent in this city, you're gonna get lit up.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
It was nice.
Hashtag Black Lightning's back.
Sometimes I can come off a little overprotective.
Yes, you.
All right. Only thing I see that won't last in the long run is that he just fighting some regular street gang dudes and he like super amped up electricity man. But other than that, that was all right. That wasn't too bad. I'm gonna watch that. I might drop Arrow for that because Arrow is just no. Anyway, my reaction. Peace.